Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to create subpages in Squarespace. Subpages are a fantastic way to organize your website content, making it much easier for your visitors to navigate. Think of them as drop-down menus that appear under your main navigation links. This helps you structure your information logically, preventing your main navigation from becoming too cluttered. We will cover the simple steps to implement this feature effectively. To begin, head over to your Squarespace Pages panel. You will see a plus icon next to your main navigation section. Click this icon to add a new page. After selecting your desired page type, simply drag and drop this new page directly underneath the main navigation item you wish it to be associated with. This action instantly transforms it into a subpage. Once your subpages are created, you have full control over their arrangement. You can easily drag and drop them to reorder their appearance within the drop-down menu. For more complex structures, you can even indent pages further to create up to 3 levels of navigation depth. Remember, managing your page settings allows you to rename or delete any subpage as needed. When designing your subpage structure, aim for clarity and simplicity. Keep your drop-down menus concise, typically with no more than 7 to 10 items, to ensure easy navigation for your visitors. Use clear and descriptive titles for each subpage. Avoid creating too many levels of subpages, as this can quickly become confusing. Regularly review your site's organization to maintain a user-friendly experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.